Installation depth is set using spacers and shims. Unscrew the mandrel from the pre-winder. Slide on the correct spacer set. Add or remove shims to give the correct insert depth. Reassemble and check the setting. Add a shim if the insert is too deep. A 1/2 and 1/4 mm shims are available. Watch out for countersinks. On reassembly, be aware of left-hand threads. Remember, this nut must be tightened with a spanner. The small adapter utilizes a similar shim and spacer setup. It is critical that the air pressure is set in accordance with the front end assembly size. Tape feed inserts can be used for even faster production. The Helicoil inserts are pre-assembled in polyethylene tape. Passing it through the pre-winder presents a new insert ready for installation. Tape feed inserts eliminate untangling inserts, dropping them and having to orientate the tang.